Hey, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm bringing to you the carrot butter. Now this very creamy carrot butter is great for both the skin and the hair. When used on your skin, it is going to even out your skin tone. It will also help reverse aging and get rid of fine lines. When used on your hair, it is going to help retain length. So without wasting much time, let's just get started. So first of all, you are going to need some carrot oil, and if you don't know how to make carrot oil, I have the link in the description box. This is about 150 grams of carrot oil. Next, you are going to be needing some pure unrefined shea butter. This is also 150 grams. And finally, you are going to be needing some cinnamon oil. So I'll get a bowl and come in with my carrot oil. I'll come in with 1 tablespoonful of cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil is very strong, so you need just a little bit. Next, I'll come in with my melted shea butter. I'll just mix everything up gently. I'll cover it up and leave it in the fridge or leave it outside depending on the temperature. So as you can see here, our beautiful carrot butter is ready. It's so colorful and this looks edible, but hey, you don't have to eat this. And as you can see, it is so creamy. This is going to come in very handy, especially as we are approaching the winter. This is one of my favorite winter skin butters. This is really going to hydrate very dry skin. So this was a fast and easy one, and I hope you are going to give it a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. And if you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.